Okay, we're at Shoe Wheeler in Doncaster, and regularly we put a natural edge on a boot like this. Quickly come round here. What we would do is super gently just run it round the machine. Run it round the machine like that, and on the heel stack. And then we'll take some marzipan. Sorry Paul, I'll be out your way shortly. And we would run some marzipan around that edge like that. And when that dries, it leaves us a lovely natural edge. Okay, however, one of our customers said, can I do that with some sandpaper? And I thought, no, of course you can't. It needs to be done on the machine, and it needs to be done just... But then I grabbed hold of a piece of sandpaper. So I thought, what I've got to do is give it a try. So we got some sandpaper, just cheap sandpaper, P150. And I took the boot and I started rubbing. I started gently rubbing. And look, oh gosh. You don't need one of those great big machines. Let's do it on here on a fresh piece, look. 150 sandpaper, and you just start giving it a nice gentle rub on the side. Don't go with too coarse a paper, and the result in 5 minutes of rubbing just start to come through. Look at those there, look, just start to come through. And then I'm thinking you just take a little bit of clear polish and just give it a wipe over with a clear polish, and you might have a really nice natural edge on there. So whoever that chap was, yeah, you can do it with a bit of sandpaper. I'm not sure if this is going to be on all shoes, and sometimes even when we take a shoe over to the machine and machine it down, there's too much dye in the leather, has got into the leather, and you just can't get it to a nice natural edge, so you're scuffed. But try it with this bit of sandpaper, 150 grit, give it a nice rub, and you could end up with a nice natural edge on your triggers. That's the one done on the machine. This is the one done. Obviously this has got some dye on it, and this is just a raw but bit of clear polish.